This is the tie front vest from Make It Crochet. And as you can see, when I've done the neckline, I've done a Tunisian knit stitch 2 together. And as you can see, it makes this line that goes along with the line of the neck. And here is an example of the other direction. So when I've done the armhole decreasing, I wanted that line to go in this direction along with this side. So you have to do a little bit different. This is at the beginning of a row, and this is at the end of the row. If you do the same decrease that you did in the beginning, then this line here would actually be going this direction. And I wanted it to go this direction. So I'll show you how to do that. Here's a closer example of how the knit 2 together looks. You see it goes right alongside the decreasing for the neck here. And a knit 2 together is very easy to do. So you can just insert your hook in the first one and then the other one, and then straight to the back, just like normal. And you're just knitting those 2 together, and then you continue across. So it's when you get to the end that is an issue. So stop at 3. It's over here that's the issue. So the way that I handle this is, see, I need this loop to be over here because I want this one to be on top to go that direction. So it's a little tricky, naturally. Always trying to do knit things in Tunisian crochet, and it becomes tricky. Pull that over, pop it through the back. And there you have that one sitting on top now. And do the last stitch. So it's going in this direction now instead of this direction. So let's take a look at this close up so that you can see exactly how it's done. Work across until you get to the last 3. What you want is this one on top of this one. So push this one back so that you can grasp it with your non-hook hand and pull it toward the back. This one can be pulled around because it's not going to show. This one is the one that you want to not be pulled around. So you just pull it and pull the back strand over and pop it through. See, this is the back strand right here, and I'm going to pull this one over with my non-hook hand, and then now I can pull up a loop, and this one is on top of the other one. And then you just close normally, and you will have this direction instead of it going the other direction. And here's an example of how that looks. Here are the decreases that are worked at the end. And you can see they go straight up along the side in the same direction. And that's the goal. Just to keep things, it's a little finishing technique to keep things nicer on the edge.